Hello बच्चों, welcome to my class. Today we will learn about counting on and counting back, which we discussed in the last class. This is a continuation of that thing and we learn a little bit more about that. Okay, let's take some examples from your book. In this it is saying, Banco have been counting back in steps of 5 degrees from 15 degrees Celsius. Banco have been counting back. Banco have been counting back in steps of 5 degrees from 15 degrees Celsius. So let's what Banco was doing. So Banco was counting back from 15 degrees Celsius. ठीक है? And what was the step size? The step size was 5. So from here we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ठीक? 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. So if he will count back, he will reach at 10 degrees Celsius. Suppose Banco counted for 5 times. Banco counted for 5 times. So again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So Banco will reach at 5 degrees Celsius. Now again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. After the third time, Banco reached at 0 degrees Celsius. Okay. Now for the fourth time again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now think which number will come after 0 degrees Celsius. If we go towards the left side of our number line. Yes. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. So Banco will reach at -5 degrees Celsius. Correct? Now again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. -6, -7, -8, -9, -10. So after 5th time, Banco reached at -10 degrees Celsius. Is it clear, everyone? Okay. Now let's take some questions from the book. It is saying, the book is saying, count back in tens from 18. Count back in tens from 18. So let's make your number line. Okay. This is your 18. If you count back in tens, tens पे count back करना है. Tens पे count back करोगे, so where will you reach after 18? That means you are subtracting 10 from this 18. Count back. What do you mean by count back? That every time you are going in the backward direction. If you are going in the backward direction, that means you are subtracting 10 from 18. So where will you land? You will land at 8. Got it? Now again if you subtract -10, then what will happen? Now you will see that 10 is bigger than 8. Okay. So what will happen here? Follow the concept of the number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now start doing that. From the 8 we need to count. So from the 8, this is your 8. So after 8 you need to go in the backward direction. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. -1, -2. So you will reach at -2. Got it? Now again you need to subtract -10. If you again subtract, then after -2 what will you get? -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, -10, -11, -12. Very good. So we reach at minus 12. Got it? This is the way of doing these questions. Make your number line like this. Make your number line like this and then start counting it. This makes your question very simple. Okay? The next question says count on in fives from minus 22. What you need to do? Count on in 5. Count on means you need to go in the forward direction. Count on in fives from minus 22. From minus 22. Count on means we need to go in this direction. We need to go in this direction. Okay. So from minus 22 and what was the step size? 5. The step size was 5. So you need to count on for 5 steps. So make a step of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So after minus 22, if you count for 5 times, that means you are adding 5. So minus 22, in this direction, which number will come? We know in the negative number, if we go in this direction, the number increase. If we go in this direction, the number will decrease. If this is your positive direction and this is your negative direction. So if we are going in this direction, your number will increase. So after minus 22, what will you get? Minus 21, minus 20, minus 19, minus 18, minus 17. So you will land at minus 17. If you again do plus 5, then what will happen? After minus 17, what will you get? Minus 16, minus 15, minus 14, minus 13, minus 12. So this number will become minus 12. If you do again plus 5, then where will you land? Minus 11, minus 10, minus 9, minus 8, minus 7. So you will land at minus 7 and so on. Let's do this question. Count back. Note down the question and do it. Count back in sevens from 91. Do this question. Take your time, pause the video and do this question. Let's see who can do this. Just first of all, make your number line and then make your counting line and then start doing this question. And you need to count at least for 3 times. Okay. Done? See, let's check your answer. You need to count back. That means your 91 should be here. And for how many times? 7s. So the step size is 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now you are doing the count back. So minus 7. So before 91 what number will come? 90. 90, 89, 88, 87, 86, 85, 84. So you will land at 84. Okay. Now again if you do minus 7, then 83, 82, 81, 80, 79, 78, 77. So you will land at 77. And if you again do minus 7, this is very simple because I know I need to subtract 7 from 77. So what will be your answer? 70. It's easy peasy. Okay. The next question is very important. Now next question is saying count on in tenths. This is your tenths place. See the difference. Here it is showing tens. Here it is written tenths. 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 Count on in tenths from minus 0.4. Count on in tenths from minus 0.4. So we need to do the count on. Count on means go in the forward direction. So make your number line. Here will be your minus 0.4. Now what is your tens place? Where will it lie? The tens place is this place. Tens place is this place. So you need to count on in tenths place. ठीक है? अच्छा सपोज ये 4 अगर हमारा यहाँ पर होता तो 4 के बाद कौन सा नंबर आता? 5. Then 6. In the same way it will happen in tenths place. So what was the step size? Tenths. That's it. So count on in tenths from minus 0.4. So what will the next number come? The next number will be minus 0.3 because we are going in this direction. We need to do the count on, and this is a negative number. So if we go in this direction, after 4 which number will come? 3. So minus 0.4, minus 0.3, then minus 0.2, then minus 0.1, and what will come after minus 0.1? Tell me. Which number will come? 0. Which number will come? 0. And then 0.1. Then 0.2. ये बात clear हुई कि नहीं? See, minus 0.4. We need to do the count on. Count on means we need to go in the forward direction. Okay. If we are going in the forward direction, so we will change only this place because we need to change the tenths place. Okay. So 0.4, then 0.3, then 0.2, then 0.1. Okay. What comes after minus 1? 0. In the same way, what comes after minus 0.1? 0. Then 0.1 plus हो गया 0.2. अच्छा, do one more question. Count on in tenths from 1.2. Okay. So now you need to start from 1.2. What number will come after 1.2? Tell me. Which place you need to change? Tenths place. Where is the tenths place? This is your tenths place. What comes after 2? 3. Very good. So 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, 1.9. What comes after 1.9? That is the question. What you are doing here, that is very important to understand. You are every time you are changing the tenths place, and what you are adding 0.1. You are adding 0.1. See, 1.2 plus 0.1 will give you 1.3. 2 plus 1, 3. 1 plus 0, 1, and the point will remain as it is. Okay. In the same way, if you reach here 1.9 and if you get confused, what comes after 9? 10. What comes after 9? 10. If the 10 is coming to, what will come? 0. And what about the 1? 10 में 2 parts होते हैं ना, 1 and 0. So if 0 is here, where will the 1 go? The 1 will come as a carry. So your answer is 2.0. You can also check it. Every time you are adding 0.1. So in 1.9 you add 0.1. 9 plus 1, 10. This is your carry. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 0, 2. So your answer is 2.0. Clear? Any doubt? है ना? अब let's do one more. Count back in tenths from 1.5. Okay. This is your 1.5. You need to do the back. You need to do the backward direction. So before 1.5, 1.4, 1.3, 1.2, 1.0. What will come before this? Now think what you are doing here. You are basically subtracting 1 here. So that means you are subtracting 0.1 because you are subtracting at the 10th place. So your answer was 1.4, which you got here. So if you reach at 1.0, you need to subtract 0.1. Now take a borrow. This will cancel, this will become 10. 10 minus 1 will give you 9. So your answer is 0.9. Clear hua? Before that 0.8. Now it's easy for you. Understood? Concept clear hai? If you reach, whenever you reach at 1.9 and you are going to add something, you are doing the count on in tenths. So just add 0.1 and you will get your number. Okay, in the same way, if you are doing count back in tenths, so you need to subtract 0.1 every time. Clear?